With amazing views and a family home located right here in Rochestown, Sigma Homes are about to take on our next challenge. This detached house is being stripped back. You've heard me say it before, but when you see the back of this house, you're in for a bit of a shock. Sigma Homes have taken a big bite out of the back of this home. But more importantly, we've got planning permission to build on a big extension to the back of this home, and upstairs we've designed an extension for a master bedroom. But it's the interior design finishes that we've come up with that will bring this house to the next level. Right here under my feet in the kitchen, dining and movie room, we're going to have underfloor heating. Behind us in this corner is going to be our utility room, but it's right here is where the excitement starts. The finish of this kitchen has been very carefully chosen. The big cupboards to my left are going to be a matte anthracite. The cupboards underneath that is going to be a white oak. And to our right hand side, we've gone for something a little different. We've used a big granite worktop with a waterfalled edge. And the cupboards right at the front, just to tie it all together, we go back to the white oak. Our sliding doors will be fitted right here in this location. And a key part of the design, in this corner we've got our window seat. Our TV units, we've designed a light colour shelving, somewhere for a busy family to put away all their bits and pieces, but most importantly giving that home that real finishing touch. As a part of our new design, this wall behind us gets completely demolished, and that will open up this space into a new kitchen, living and dining. This big staircase gets completely removed and relocated to a different part of this home, and that frees up everything behind this door. Here we're going to have a home office to the front, and right in the center we've got this beautifully designed bathroom with some really cool tiles. Behind these big eco joists, we've got our main movie room right at the front of the house. Our theme and our style here, we've gone for the main TV area, we've gone for that anthracite, and right and left of that we've got this gorgeous white oak shelving with LED lighting. By relocating the staircase, right here where I'm standing is now going to be the main luxury bathroom upstairs. On this wall, you're going to see a big cutout area. What's hard to believe, this is the window right at the top of our new stairs. This will allow all our natural light coming in. This wall behind us gets demolished, and we're going to build on a new extension master bedroom. In here, we've built a big bespoke wall right at the end of the bed. Here, we've got a gorgeous TV unit with underneath shelving. Behind that wall, we've got some beautiful flooring and walk-in wardrobes. Also in this master bedroom, we've got a bespoke bathroom with a double vanity unit and some fabulous materials. Even the shower has got a bespoke seating area. With our new space now in the hallway, we've introduced a beautiful boot room. Here we've got again that anthracite theme with big cupboards left and right. Right in the center we've an open white oak shelving, and with the tiling and the material it sets the perfect theme. It's just been a number of weeks since our homeowners last slept in their home. It's big, it's scary and it's dramatic, but the one thing I do know, come the 17th of May, Sigma Homes will be handing over a high-end project.